So regarding the lesson learned, the Vietnam's and the Cambodia's advanced to our country much advanced. This is why they have they already established the safeguard information system and also database. Yeah, but we also would like to improve. We are at the beginning of the development of the safeguard information system. That means maybe to establish a website or maybe to share the information. So we can learn from the Vietnam and the Cambodia a lot. But we at the same time we have also very common challenges between the Vietnam and Cambodia and Myanmar. For example, data sharing by the relevant institution. So sometimes very difficult to get the reliable data from the relevant institution. This is also very common challenging, as well as the continuous participation of the member of working group. Also major challenge. It is also very common challenge. Anyway, so I really appreciate the effort of Vietnam and Cambodia because they already established and then their safeguard information system, and they produce their first SOIs summary of the information, and then as you know, the safeguard information system is a living document. From time to time we still need to improve, and then later we will also learn based on the lesson learned from the other country as well as our system is set. So we are trying to improve. This is much beneficial to us.